It's just Kosho. I'm out here with the AJ Slick 540. Just got it from AJ Aircraft. It's got Spectrum servos in it. Set up the pull rudder. Put a AR637T receiver in it. It's got the AS3X. I'll try that out. 14.7 propeller, recommended by AJ himself. Running the E-flite motor in this one. It's out of the 1.3 millimeter extra that I crashed, so we're using some of the parts out of that. Castle 60 speed control. We're gonna do a little flight with this. Okay, here we go. Medium rate. Countdown. End it.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Using the Connexus 3200 milliamp 4-cell.
Flight mode 1. Time remaining 3 minutes. Flight mode 2. Flight mode 1. Time remaining 2 minutes. Flight mode 2. Flight mode 3. Flight mode 2. Seconds.
EJ.
10.
Great looking airplane, great radio. Thanks Horizon Hobby. Thank you Spectrum. Thank God. GoPro stop recording.